Hi, are you an aspiring entrepreneur, mini dairy owner, or someone who wants to start a dairy processing business? Then click the link below right now to join in the Dairy Explorer Masterclass. I'm Amardeep Singh Chadha and I'm Director of Chadha Sales Private Limited. I'm doing this Dairy Explorer Masterclass where I'm going to discuss how you too can start your successful, profitable dairy processing unit. In the last 17 years, I have worked with 100 plus dairy entrepreneurs and have observed 7 into 5 fundamentals in setting up a dairy processing unit. And I'll be sharing this in this live masterclass, and also in this masterclass, I'll be giving you some exclusive bonuses which are waiting for you. So click the link below and join the webinar.